Infinix has made its debut in the foldable phone market with the Zero Flip. This new device boasts impressive specifications and features. The Zero Flip features a 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED main screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1400 nits peak brightness. On the front, a 3.64-inch AMOLED cover display offers a 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass 2 protection. The Zero Flip packs a dual vertically stacked camera system on the cover screen. This setup includes a 50-megapixel main shooter with OIS and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Inside the punch hole cutout on the main screen, a 50-megapixel selfie shooter is housed. All three cameras are capable of capturing 4K videos. In terms of dimensions and weight, the Zero Flip measures 16 mm thick when folded and 7.6 mm when unfolded, weighing in at 195 grams. The device incorporates a zero-gap hinge, ensuring a completely flat closure. The MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset powers the Zero Flip. Infinix has committed to providing 2 Android version updates and 3 years of security updates. To keep the device powered, a 4720 mAh battery is included, supporting 70-watt fast charging.